Hello and welcome very much to a new SSCHNITTLABOR video. Today we want to do a challenging comparison between the SONY A6400 and the DJI OSMO Pocket.
3, 2, 1. SSCHNITTLABOR International Review.
And you may wonder, there is no steady shot inside the A6400. But to be honest, of course there is, because all the lenses which come with the A6400, which have a optical steady shot built in, they can function as an optical steady shot. So now please have a look. Both cameras are set to face tracking mode, so we can also have a comparison with the face tracking mode. But this is not really enough. Maybe you also want to check how is the automatic settings. Like this is the real video image which comes out both recording in 25p. I have to mention that this A6400 right now it's equipped with the 16 to 50 millimeter kit lens. So and actually I'm carrying these cameras with a very interesting and strange construction. As you can see, this is like a selfie stick here. On the left side where the A6400 is fixed, you have the standard connector to a selfie stick, but on the right side, the selfie stick downstairs, it has a screw to connect to any kind of tripod. And inside this screw, I connect another adapter, which originally is made to connect cameras to a bicycle, for example, or a motorcycle. The last point is because here now we have this interesting wind situation. I'm recording this here with the Zoom F1 with the microphone, which is actually built here on the right side. So this is a strong wind now. I hope you understand anything. Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. So so that the video is not too boring, actually I'm going to show you a direct comparison of how the steady shot is functioning by looking at this beautiful nature where I am right now, which is actually much better instead of sitting in front of a computer screen all the time. So enjoy the following images. Thank you for your attention and see you soon. Bye bye.